After an intense workout, our bodies need care to replenish energy and repair tissues. Ignoring recovery can lead to injuries, fatigue, and decreased performance. During exercise, muscles are strained and tiny tears occur within muscle fibers. These tears need repair, which happens during the recovery period. Good recovery routines enhance future performance capabilities. The science behind recovery involves hormone balancing, muscle repair, and nervous system recovery. Techniques like nutrition, hydration, sleep, and active recovery optimize these processes. Post-workout recovery is a critical component of any fitness plan. Understanding this can transform your approach to workouts and recovery. Hydration and nutrition are cornerstones of effective post-workout recovery. Your body loses fluids and minerals through sweat, which must be replenished. Drinking water and electrolyte-rich drinks helps restore balance and prevent cramps. Nutrition replenishes energy stores and provides nutrients for tissue repair. Carbohydrates replenish glycogen stores while proteins repair muscle tissue. A meal or snack combining these macronutrients within 45 minutes enhances recovery. Timing your meals ensures nutrients are effectively utilized. Delayed nutritional intake can slow recovery and prolong soreness. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. This strategy speeds up recovery and improves resilience for future challenges. Stretching after a workout enhances muscular recovery. It elongates muscles, relieves tension, and increases blood flow. Increased circulation transports nutrients and oxygen to tired muscles. Stretching prevents stiffness and maintains flexibility. Active recovery involves light physical activity on rest days. Activities like walking, yoga, or light biking maintain mild blood flow. Cool-down routines gradually reduce exercise intensity, aiding recovery. Proper cool-downs include light jogging or walking followed by stretching. These practices ensure a holistic approach to fitness, where recovery is as important as the workout. Sleep is a crucial element of the recovery process. During sleep, the body undergoes healing and regeneration. Growth hormone, essential for muscle repair, is released during deep sleep. Quality sleep is vital for effective recovery. Inadequate sleep hinders recovery and diminishes performance. Good sleep hygiene enhances sleep quality and overall recovery. Adequate sleep optimizes physical, mental, and emotional resilience. Common recovery mistakes include neglecting hydration and nutrition. Underestimating fluid loss or delaying post-workout meals hinders recovery. Keep a water bottle handy and plan a nutrient-rich meal or snack. Skipping cool-down and stretching routines is another frequent error. Implement a 5 to 10 minute cool-down followed by stretching. Overtraining without adequate rest prevents recovery and improvement. Listen to your body and incorporate rest days or lighter activity. Mental recovery is also crucial. Activities like meditation can enhance overall recovery. A comprehensive recovery plan is essential for regular physical activity. Recovery should be an integral part of your fitness routine. Implement strategies like hydration, nutrition, stretching, active recovery, and sleep. These practices enhance your body's ability to recover, grow, and perform. Embrace recovery practices as opportunities to honor and enhance your body's capabilities. Cheers to better health and improved performance through the art and science of recovery.